Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning professional quality AI images completely for free with zero design skills required. We are using two free tools together. First, Meigen AI, a free prompt gallery where you can copy ready-made prompts. Second, Google AI Studio, where we paste those prompts and generate the images. No credit card, no subscription. Let's get into it. Go to Meigen.ai. This is a community prompt gallery. Creators from around the world have shared their best AI prompts here, and you can copy any of them for free. Look at the quality of what people are generating. Portraits, postcards, posters, figurines, illustrated scenery, all kinds of styles. Here's the best part. When you hover over any image, you can see the exact prompt that was used to create it, the full instruction, ready to copy. I found this image, a beautiful postcard of Tokyo. I clicked on it and look at the prompt. It says bracket city right in the middle, meaning this is a reusable template. You can replace that with any city in the world. I copied the prompt and headed to Google AI Studio. Go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. No credit card, no waitlist, free access from day one. Now click on Image Generation. You will see a list of models and most of them have a paid badge. Ignore those. Scroll down to the one with no paid badge, Nano Banana, which runs on Gemini 2.5 Flash image. That is your free model. Select it. I pasted the Tokyo prompt in the box and replaced bracket city with Japan. Hit Generate. Look at this, a stunning postcard of Japan. Illustrated style, beautiful composition, completely professional quality. From a prompt I copied in 2 seconds. Then I took the exact same prompt, changed only the city name to Venice and generated again. Same prompt, different city, completely different result. That is the power of this workflow. You're not writing prompts, you're just customizing them. Now this is where it gets really interesting. I scrolled through Meigen and found this GTA 6 style poster, the kind with a dramatic character in the foreground. I copied its prompt, but this time instead of Google AI Studio, I went to Gemini AI at gemini.google.com. And here's the trick. I uploaded my own photo along with the prompt. Gemini generated that GTA 6 poster, but with me in it instead. My face, my GTA 6 poster. You can do this with any style on Meigen. Just upload your photo and let Gemini do the rest. Now, kept going. Found a collectible figurine image on Meigen, the kind that comes in a box like a toy store display. Copied the prompt, uploaded my photo to Gemini, generated. And it made a figurine of me, packaging and all. Looks like something you would actually find in a store. All free. One more thing before we wrap up, and this one is my favorite tip. I found an animated scenery of Santorini, Greece on Meigen. Beautiful daytime scene, blue domes, white buildings, the sea. I copied the prompt, but before generating in Google AI Studio, I made one small edit. Wherever the prompt mentioned daytime, I changed it to nighttime with stars in the sky. Same Santorini, same illustrated style, but now a cinematic night scene with a sky full of stars. One word changed, completely different result. That's prompt editing, and that's how you make these images truly your own. The whole thing takes under 5 minutes and it costs absolutely nothing. If this was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which image style you tried first. See you in the next one.